In this video, I'll show you how to find your Wi-Fi direct password on your Epson XP-4100 series printer or XP-4200 printer. It's very easy. On the control panel of your printer, you're going to navigate and select Settings, then press OK. Then go down, select Network Settings and press OK. Go down and select Network Status and press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi Direct Status and press OK. And here you're going to have your network name and the password will be written right over here. If you don't see the password, it means that your Wi-Fi direct network of your Epson printer is not turned on. And what you need to do is very easy. Just go back again, select Wi-Fi setup, select Wi-Fi direct, which is the second option, press OK, and it will turn it on. There's also a second way to see the password, which is to go back, and in this menu you're going to go in network status the same way we did in the past, and then you're going to select print status sheet. But before doing that, make sure that you have loaded some paper in your printer. Here, put a sheet of paper, press close, select close and press OK, and then press OK once you selected print status sheet. Then it will tell you to press the print button, press print, extend this if you want, and it will print a page with the password. Okay, so on this page, Wi-Fi direct password, and this is your password. Well, this is mine. Yours is probably something different. So this is how you find the password of your Epson XP-4200 or 4100 printer. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like if this was helpful, write a comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.